Hi, I'm Jojo, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Start the clock. Monday was the start of another week back with the whole school enjoying a brilliant Singapore morning. The virtue of this week, idealism. Tuesday, Grade 1 jumped into a fun entry point for their unit, the Magic Toy Maker, with lots of joyfulness and enthusiasm. Wednesday, classes continued practicing unity and commitment as they took part in different activities in specialist classes. Thursday, Grade 3 sprang into action as they began exploring different software for building their eco-friendly homes. Friday, we crossed the finish line of another week with staff and students enjoying another of Miss Nichols' entertaining assemblies before heading home for the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jojo, and we'll see you again next time.